Hey, diggity dog. Now we're here. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, you're gonna get hurt like that. I thought I saw something. Whatever. Just pay attention to the doggy. You want to go down the slide? You want to go down the slide? Yeah? Slide. Come on, boy. Let's go down the slide. Not there. Not there. We'll be right there. Guys, I don't want Mr. to die and like get really hurt. Okay. Boy, you ready? Okay. Ready, guys? You see a doggy? And there's a Lord. Okay. Go. I know what I'm doing, guys. Don't worry. He's done this before. I don't know why he's scared. He's keeping himself. He's scared. I don't understand. Come on, boy. You can do it. Go. Woo! Good boy. Now my turn. Good doggy. Good boy. Bye-bye. Well, look at these. Doesn't look like a very nice time to be out here. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy. Baby! I know, boy. We're going inside. Now look at him. He loves the inside. He loves inside. He's not an outside doggy. If he was an outside dog, that poor baby, he would bite for real. Don't you worry, don't. I know you're not allowed past it. You know what? You're coming with me. How do you feel? Just right here. Early dark. Okay. Buddy boy. Sit. Okay, I guess lay instead. I don't